Hi, welcome. Now, do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to become a master hypnotist for fun, profit and fame? Now, do you want to hypnotize people, learn how to hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less, even sometime in a few seconds? Do you want to learn hypnosis to help others by helping them to come out of their problems, solve their problems and become a master hypnotist? That's right, my friend. You might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. In fact, I have more than 900 videos on YouTube. And in fact, one of my videos has more than 8 million views in last 2.5 years. And my friend, if you really want to master hypnosis, I'm conducting a workshop right now in Hyderabad on 20 and 21st of October 2018 in Hotel Best Western Ashoka, morning 9 to evening 6, both the days. A 2 full day program I'm conducting where it's a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. My friend, my name is Pradeep Aggarwal. I'm a director of Institute of Mind Control and Development, and I conduct seminars for last 40 years now, more than 41 years actually. In fact, I started learning hypnosis in 1972. I started teaching hypnosis in 1977. Now it is 2018 and you can guess already 41 years, and more than, in my life training other programs, more than 600,000 people attended my seminars all over the world. In fact, recently I have conducted a workshop in England, in Leicester. Now my friends, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this 2-day workshop. This 2-day workshop is a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. It's not a theory class. You will see me giving a demo and then you practice on each other. Now my friend, I tell you, in 2-day workshop is a practical workshop with what you are going to learn, what you have gained after this 2-day workshop. Let me tell you, after this 2-day workshop, you would have become a hypnotist, a master hypnotist. You can hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less. You will be able to heal others. You can do hypnotic demos and talks. You can do a lot of hypnotic phenomena or others. Maybe when you are in a party, meeting, or if you want to become a professional hypnotherapist, you can use this technique in your therapy also. And you'll be able to heal others people, control pain. You can help them to control pain, remove their mental blocks. Even you can help them to change their habits, smoking habit, other habits, help them to remove their fear and phobias. All these things you will learn by doing it in the workshop. You will be able to do it after 2 days easily, naturally and effortlessly. Now let me give you a guide what you will learn on the first day and second day. First day of the workshop, you will learn about conscious mind and subconscious mind. Now hypnosis has to do with conscious mind and subconscious mind, to reprogram your subconscious mind. Then we learn about what is hypnosis and what it is not. What you hear and read in the movies and things, that is not actual hypnosis. And what you see sometime on a video on a YouTube, some of the videos are not the actual videos. So you will learn myths about hypnosis, and then I'll give you a demo of an instant hypnosis and then explain to you how it works, step by step. And then before we get into the mastering hypnosis and doing hypnosis with others, you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis yourself. Yes, you will learn self-hypnosis. You will learn how to go into it in a few seconds, program your mind, and then come out of it. So when you come out, programming remains. Self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool. I use it every day. And then you are going to learn the method in the workshop, which I call it Andrew Newton method, which I learned from somebody. It's a very powerful method on self-hypnosis. I'll give you a demo, I'll show it on somebody, and then you will practice on your own. And then you will be doing your first hypnosis on others. First day morning itself. You'll be doing this on each other and practice. Practice is very, very important, and this is a workshop where I'll make you do a lot of practice. And then you will learn how to give a pre-talk, how to start your hypnotic thing when you talk to somebody, and then how to build a rapport. Then you will learn the symptoms of hypnosis, How you will know the person is hypnotized? By just watching them carefully. You learn the symptoms of hypnosis. And then we get into fun thing. In hypnosis, they call it suggestive test. I call it hypnotic imagination games. In fact, I have recorded a 1 full day workshop on hypnotic imagination games. Now you will learn a lot of techniques there. By doing it, you'll get a proper scripts also, like finger stuck, light and heavy hands, magnetic hand, they come in claws, hand clasps, rigid arm, falling forward, falling backward, eye catalepsy, and pendulum. Now these are the imagination games. That's how you start hypnosis with others. Telling them this imagination game, you are testing their imagination, how powerful their imagination is, and then you know which person is more suggestible. And then lot of other things which I can't explain you because of time concern. And then you get into a very powerful method of hypnotizing others on the day one, called Dave-Ellman induction. Now this method takes 3 to 4 minutes to put a person into deep stage of hypnosis very first time, and works 95% of the time. This is one of the best technique. I use it all the time, and you will learn. First I'll give you a demo 2 times, so you know, in a slow motion, because I will take little more. Normally I take 1.5 minutes to complete the process, but I'll be giving you a slow demo so that you can watch it, and then you will have to practice on each other. And once you use this method, the person will be in deep stage of hypnosis. Then you will learn how to teach them self-hypnosis. You can do hypnotic anesthesia, you can do therapy, and even you can do a content-free therapy. And then you will learn awakening methods, deepening methods. Then you will learn how to give suggestions, how to give post-hypnotic suggestion, and then you will learn little bit of precautions and dangers about hypnosis. And then you will learn a very important 3 types of hypnotic suggestion. Yes, 3 types. Pre-hypnotic suggestion means you give suggestion before the person hypnotized. Then the person is hypnosis. Then you give suggestions during hypnosis which will have an effect later on. We call it post-hypnotic suggestions. And then you will learn how you can help your family, children, children that in the family, and you can work with the children. You will learn how to hypnotize them. Then you will know a very powerful method called magic spark or hypnotic anesthesia. Now when you learn Dave-Ellman induction, you can do hypnotic anesthesia also with them and teach them how to do it. Then to communicate with the subconscious mind, you learn a very powerful technique called finger signals, where you program the fingers for yes and no signals, and you can communicate with the subconscious mind and heal them. Then using pendulums, and then you're practicing it on each other. Now finger signals are very useful for therapy and content therapy, content-free therapy. That means the person need not tell you what the problem is. They need to think about the problem, and then using this finger signal you can heal them without you knowing what the problem is. And then you will learn some more simple techniques for hypnosis, and then most important thing, you will get an homework. Homework is to go home and hypnotize somebody. Now remember, my friends, you have to go and practice on somebody. You don't need to tell them you are hypnotizing them. I'll give you tips how and what to tell them so that they will agree to get hypnotized, and then you watch the hypnotic symptoms and know how good you did. Now you will have done these things a number of times in the workshop, and then go home and practice. And then the next day in the morning, when you come back, or the second day, you will learn the safety, precautions and safety. The 2 important things which you learn in this workshop is, sometime a person may go into a hypnotic coma. How to handle that? Coma doesn't mean that actually a coma. It is a very deep stage of hypnosis. The person enjoys the state, doesn't want to come out. Now that is not our goal. We will learn how to bring the person out. And every action. This is something a person, when you do hypnosis, very rarely, but sometime when you are doing a hypnotherapy on somebody, he may slip into their past trauma. You will learn how to bring them out of their past trauma so that you can help them. And then the first day, whatever methods you learn, we call them a rapid induction. That means 3 to 4 minutes. Or second day in the morning, you're going to learn instant hypnosis methods so that you will be able to hypnotize people like this. And the important thing about instant hypnosis is the person goes only into deep stage of hypnosis. You will learn what things to keep in mind, how to know the person is willing to get hypnotized or not. There are certain things, very specific steps you will know. I will give a demo and then you will be practicing on each other. You will learn at least 5, 6 or 7 different methods of instant hypnosis. And then you will learn non-verbal inductions, how to hypnotize somebody without speaking anything. Then you will learn how to convert imagination game into hypnosis, something very, very interesting. I'll give you a demo and then you'll be practicing it. And then a method which I have developed in 96, 97 called pretending hypnosis, a very interesting and very powerful method. And then oriental pressure point method, that is another technique, very interesting technique which combines pre-hypnotic suggestions. And then the technique which I use it all the time, that is called utilizing the previous trance. If somebody comes to me and say that I have been practicing self-hypnosis or I have been hypnotized before, or they say they do meditation, I don't hypnotize them. I use what they have done before and instantly put into deep stage of hypnosis and do my work. I don't waste my time doing induction. And then you will learn how to give lecture demonstration on hypnosis. Yes, so that anybody asks you to give a demonstration or talk about hypnosis, you can talk to them, talk about hypnosis, plus you can give them a demo. Then you will learn to a very specific method, very advanced method of hypnosis called Ericksonian hypnosis. Milton H. Erickson is the father of hypnosis. He is advanced conversational hypnosis. He has a very unique method which I'll give you in a demo and then you will be practicing it in the workshop. And then you will learn how to heal others using part therapy. Part therapy, we have 2 different parts. For example, you go to a shop, you like a product there but it's costly, or if it is very cheap but you don't need it, a part of you say it is cheap, buy, the part of you say don't buy because you don't need it. But there is a conflict. Same way we have a conflict in your life. So you learn this part therapy to heal others and in fact you can help others. And then you get some very powerful waking hypnosis methods. Yes, waking hypnosis. I'll give you a demo and then you will be practicing on each other. Eye open hypnosis. The same imagination game we were doing with the eyes closed, you will be doing with the eyes open. And you will learn step by step how to do it. And then you will learn in the workshop lot of fun method. Now there is something very interesting. Now you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. There are certain methods which is not actually hypnosis. The phenomena they show like leg stuck or person stuck, a lot of different kind of thing I will not able to tell you right now because this is a secret thing which you are going to learn in the workshop. If somebody is not willing but still want to test you, you are not using actual hypnosis but you are using we call it pseudo hypnosis. It's a body magic technique. We learn at least 3 or 4 methods where you can show that you are more powerful than them. This is not required, but if being a hypnotist, you should know how to do it, and if you're doing it in the workshop, you really have a lot of fun. And then we will learn for using imagery for healing, 7 common reasons why you get psychosomatic problems, different pain control method, how to do glove anesthesia, then a script you will get, a content-free script. When you read with the person think about the problem and then get healed. It's a very powerful technique which you're getting a script in your manual. And then you will learn some very interesting technique in the workshop called mental vastusas, that I use it for healing purpose and which is very, very powerful. Now all this technique which I explained to you, you are going to learn the workshop, plus you will get this manual, a manual which has lot of techniques, lot of things, lot of scripts, plus in the bonus material you get lot of things, so which you can use it when you are doing hypnosis on others. But very, very powerful manual as you get it. Now it's a 2 full day workshop, a practical workshop where you learn by doing it and you're going to have a lot of fun. Now, important thing, very, very important thing here. We only want the people in the workshop who want to practice and learn. We don't want people here who just want to watch how people are doing it, what's happening. If that is the case, don't come. A lot of videos available. I have more than 800 videos on YouTube. You can watch my videos there. No need to come to the workshop. If you really want to master it, learn it, You need to practice it in the workshop on different people. Remember, you have to practice these exercises with a different people all the time, so everybody individual have a different reaction, so you will learn and master. It will make you do practice, a lot of practice there, and you'll be amazed how good you do. Initially, when you start, there may be hesitation when you're doing it, but slowly when you started doing one by one, more and more technique, you will gain the full confidence. In the day one, at the end of the day, you might have done hypnosis number of times, and you have got all the confidence to do it whenever and whatever you want to do it. So my friends, a practical workshop, 2 full-day workshop happening in Hyderabad on 20th and 21st of October at Hotel Best Western Asoka, which is in Lakdiga Pul in Hyderabad. It's a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. You will learn by doing it. Now my friend, if you're watching this video on a YouTube, click on the link, go to the website. On Facebook, share it with your friends, and then click on the link, come to the website and register. Normal fee for this workshop is more than 25,000 rupees for 2 full-day practical workshop. You'll get a very special discount right now. And there is another bonus material for the first 10 people who register for the workshop. They get a 50,000 worth of ebooks and material, and plus once you attend the workshop, there is some secret bonuses which I can't tell you publicly on the video. You'll get some wonderful material, bonus material in the workshop when you attend the workshop for 2 days. Workshop starts at 9 o'clock. You have to be there by 8:30. 9 o'clock workshop starts, the practical workshop where you learn by doing it. And I will have a lot of fun. I will give you all my secrets, what I do. So my friend, if you're really interested, if you're on my website right now, click on the pay your money button and register right now. For the first few days, the price is 7,500. Then when the time expires, it will be 9,000. And on the spot it will be 12,000 rupees. So my friend, if you really want to become a master hypnotist for fun, profit and fame, register right now. Go to the link, pay your money button, and click and register right now. We're only taking 20 people. Only taking 20 people because the hall accommodate more people, but we need a lot of space for practice. So only 20 people, so register right now and see you on the workshop on 20th October morning at Hotel Asoka, Best Western Asoka, 8:30 sharp. You don't need to bring anything, just come yourself and enjoy the workshop. We'll give you a manual and all these things will be provided to you there. Your lunch, snacks, tea, coffee, everything is provided. So you're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of new technique we'll learn, have wonderful fun. Thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing you on 8:30 on Saturday morning. It's a Saturday and Sunday. 8:30 Saturday morning on 20th at Hotel Best Western Asoka. Thank you very much. All the best.